Hey, it's me, Destin. Welcome to Smarter Every Day. Today we're going to learn about controlling helicopters. There's cyclic, selective, and counter torque. Let's check that out. Okay, so we're going to show you a high-speed video of collective pitch at work. Focus on the swash plate while we do this. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Okay, so this begs the question, can a helicopter fly upside down? The answer is yes. What you do is you use your cyclic pitch to rotate the helicopter in the roll axis, and once you get upside down, if you have negative collective, then you can hover upside down by pushing instead of pulling with the rotors. Correct?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Upside down helicopter, take one.
Here we go.
Yeah, it's good, I'm ready.
Come back into it. That one's getting better.
Nice. There you go. Put her down. Okay, so you did it.
Oh yeah, these can fly just as well inverted as upright.
Liar. I'm just kidding. One thing that's different, when you're flying upside down, your center of gravity is obviously higher, so you're having to balance it. It's more like balancing a basketball on your finger than holding it from a string, right?
That's true. A lot of the stabilization system in here takes that out of it for me, but
Do you still have the gyros active?
yes, I do.
All right, hold it, pick it up, and let's move it. All right.
And we got stabilization on the swash plate. As you know, any direction the swash plate moves, the helicopter follows. And as I tilt the helicopter, you can see the swash plate stays level by the gyros that are in it.
All right. Let's do it.
Now let's go. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, we got it this time.
That's crazy, isn't it? Man.
We're gonna demonstrate Puro flips.
Puro flips. Puro flips. Got it. All right,
ready?
I'm ready.
That was good.
I got it.
That's as close as I.
Okay, so another cool thing about helicopters is you can operate them at night. You gotta have night vision or lights. Yeah, you can do it with lights.
Yeah, it looks easy for a skill there.
No, it doesn't. No, what?
It actually doesn't.
Exactly what about this looks easy to you? Clearly I'm missing something.